out. I also wanted to talk about something about product design slash something else. Sometimes I daydream about like making something you can actually touch, like physically. You know, like if we design on the screens, it's more of like what users going to click, what users going to experience throughout the product. Sometimes I just think about like what's it like for a product designer to make something tangible. I recently stumbled upon a story lately that hits me right up in the feels. So it's about Song, who's a formal user experience designer at Google. She actually went from designing on the screen to creating something real. While she was at Google, she faced a common problem: finding a perfect bag for herself that's both practical and stylish. What she did is she actually made her own dream bag, teaming up with her mom. Later on, she kept going, making beautiful bags for a businesswoman like herself. This story shines in every detail of the bags that I've been wearing lately. So with a big shout out, I am super grateful to say this video is brought to you by Songmont. This is definitely the most versatile bag I've ever owned. Crafted from tumble calfskin leather, soft and textured. I gotta say, I truly appreciate this magnetic flap right here. It's just beyond great for someone like me who always forgets to zip up. So with this bag, you can style it in 4 different ways. My go-to is usually the shoulder bag look with the strap that comes with. But without the strap, you can make it like this adorable dumpling style, which is my second favorite way to wear it. Also, with this crossbody strap, you can use this as a crossbody bag. Lastly, you can put this shoulder strap, put it underneath like this. So this is the Reset Tofu bag, crafted from smooth box calfskin leather with a golden wonton ring. I can wear this whether I get dressed up or down. It's a literally just perfect for every occasion. I usually wear it as a crossbody, but you can carry it in hand or on the shoulder with the detachable strap. Honestly, I think they're very reasonably priced for what they are because number 1, they're made to last a lifetime with premium craftsmanship, and number 2, super practical, and number 3, it fits all my going out outfits. So if you're after a functional yet premium leather handbag, check the link below. Use my code HANA12 to get 12% off your order. I'm going to put up this Reset Tofu from Songmont. Holy shit.
Okay, Jasmine, I gotta go. I know.